see.
We'll film it just for the insurance purposes.
Yeah. All right. You're waiting in the back, so you're good.
Let's make it up the challenge.
Look at that. Her tires are...
Dude, where that car is, where the car is, there's a dip like this.
There's something floating out there in the middle of it too. Like a stick or something.
Just to up the challenge. Dude,
Oh my gosh. That kid's up to his waist.
I think he's gonna, oh, he's gonna do it, dude. Oh, dude.
You should go around to the other. Maybe I should tell him.
Like stay to the right?
Yeah. Hey, stay to the right. Yeah, thanks. Yeah. Oh, I'm in your video. I'm so sorry.
It's okay with me. You're famous now.
So Cedar in his car.
It ain't gonna matter though. When he hits that trench, it's gonna change everything. I could drive my truck through there, I'm sure. It's got big tires.
They should put it on the news. What's the name of the snow cone shack?
Chisel.
Chisel Snow Cones is filming this. Oh, that guy's gonna
Hey, dude, just as a bonus.
This guy's not even slowing down. Like the faster you go, the better it's gonna be.
It's a way better film right there.
Some water skis
Don't slow
and
down
ask
before
them
the
to
dip,
pull
do it.
you.
Oh, man.